And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, looking at the radar, you can see that cold front still pushing off to the east after it did move through earlier on this morning, and that northerly flow coming in from those showers also lingering around. But as we head overnight, we do expect those skies to clear out along with those rain chances as by tomorrow morning, those temperatures will be dropping down into the mid 60s under mostly clear skies overnight, with those winds turning to the northwest as we head towards tomorrow morning. So nice mild night. Temperatures still on the warm side from 64 to 67 degrees as you head out the door for your Saturday. And for your Saturday itself, it'll be another hot and humid one, but this time without the rain chances, as we're expecting that sunshine to be around all day long. Plenty of sunshine, and those heat index values also reaching the mid 90s, with those temperatures also in the low 90s. And the reason for this would be due to those higher dew point values still pretty high up, as unfortunately that cold front that moved through this morning, that still did not help to get rid of those high dew point levels. So unfortunately that will linger around into the weekend, as also that high pressure ridge will be moving in for us, but also expecting those hazy, smoky skies for tomorrow. Temperature-wise, 86 to 90 for your Saturday, so quite warm outside. Now, as we head towards future forecast, this is 1:30. Noticing the skies clearing out as we head towards tomorrow morning, and a nice sunny Saturday. No issues at all for your Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. It's a slight chance of like a very slim rain shower, but I do think that the majority of the area will stay nice and dry for much of Saturday, as you're expecting plenty of sunshine in the way for not just that day, but also for Sunday. Sunday looks pretty good. Plenty of sunshine. Temperatures near 90 degrees once again, so another hot and humid one once again. So if you're going to be headed out this weekend, not looking at much in any way of any interruptions as compared to this week of all those rain chances. And even as we head towards next week, Monday looks pretty good. Some sunshine in our area, but still hot and humid. But as we head towards Tuesday, later Tuesday, a cold front will move through, and this cold front will usher in some cooler conditions. But at the same exact time, we'll be watching potentially Tropical Storm Debbie as it makes its way towards the southeastern part of the U.S. And the National Hurricane Center has confirmed that at this time, it does appear that Tropical Storm Debbie, which will be very soon, may make landfall somewhere around Florida, maybe even South Carolina. But again, that track could change in the coming days with their future forecast. But the thinking is that if Tropical Storm Debbie happens to interact with this high pressure, which if the high pressure happens to move to the east, this low pressure down here, which could be Debbie, may just move off to the coast, as the high pressure could repel it, pushing it far away. But if the high pressure moves off to the west, we could see this system probably try to make its way further inland, which could possibly have some impacts on our weather. But as of now, the thinking is that it may go all the way off towards the east coast, meaning that we will stay nice and dry at least for the entire next week, as the pattern does favor dry conditions for us, with stormy conditions up to our north for the time being, that heat ridge staying well off to the east. After that cold front though moves through on Tuesday, we do expect that heat ridge to move back to the west, but still watching Debbie as we head towards the early part of next week as well. But do expect those hot temperatures to stick around through Monday. 90 degrees on Monday, 90 also on Tuesday. A late day storm possible behind that cold front, and behind Tuesday, much cooler air on Wednesday. 80 degrees Wednesday, 80 on Thursday. Late day shower into early Friday, 82 Friday, and also those temperatures staying quite on the warm side as we head towards next weekend.